If you've ever wondered whether a trading robot, a bot, can actually think before it fires off a trade, if it can scan for momentum, volatility, or order flow, and it could manage trades in nanoseconds, this conversation is for you. These guys don't just talk a good game either. Look at their reviews online. Look at Google reviews. Look at Trustpilot. And I've had a steady stream of my own customers working with them for years, with nothing but positive feedback coming back my way. Who am I talking about? I'm talking about Sniper Autotrader. And today we're going to talk to Monty Sandhu. But before we get into automation, bots, and whether machines can trade better than us humans, I wanted to rewind the tape. Monty started out in corporate finance. He thought he was headed towards a CFO role, but ended up falling down the futures trading rabbit hole and eventually building a trading platform designed to help traders remove emotion, stay disciplined, and stop blowing themselves up. We talk futures, we talk trend trading, we talk funded trading accounts, we talk psychology, and we even get into a full live demo of how Sniper Autotrader actually works in real time. No hype, no theory, just how it works and who it's really for. If you've ever stared at a chart and thought, there has to be a better way to see this coming, this episode is for you. Here's my conversation with Monty Sandhu from Sniper Autotrader. All right, everybody, I'm here with Monty Sandhu from Sniper Autotrader. Monty, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you so much for having me on your channel, Eddie. Finally, it's good to see you. After so long, we have been talking from almost 2 years now. So
yeah,
it's
at
good
least
to see you.
At
Yes,
least.
yes,
Actually, I think we've been talking for more like 5 or 6 years. We've
yes,
been working on stuff together,
yes, yes.
and I think you have something really unique to offer to the world of trading. You guys have developed automated trading bots.
Yes.
And amazingly, I can see you guys get unbelievably great positive reviews on both Google reviews and Trustpilot. And I really want to talk about what you guys are doing with Sniper Autotrader. But quickly, before we get into that, I'm curious, Monty, how you got into trading.
Honestly, I had no idea about trading in the past, right? Even though my major was in finance, I did my MBA in finance, but I always was a corporate employee back then, right? Doing well in my career that I thought this is it. I want to be CFO someday of some public company. But, you know, I was always fascinated by the charts. I was always fascinated that one news or one event moves billions of dollars up and down, right? So it was very fascinating thing to know about the markets. When people used to talk about, oh, market is up today, market is down today, but I never got the hold of it. Like it was kind of mystery for me, right? And then again, my mentor Herman Tillo, who's the CEO of our Sniper Auto Trader, uh, you know, he met me and I shared with him that you've been trading from last 25 years. I need to know about trading also. And then he showed me how to trade. He put me into trading. I tried few times in the past, but I was always scared that I don't want to lose money. Then he showed me you don't have to use your own money. There's so many options in the market. You can get money from funding companies. You can trade with them. So slowly I get the hold of basically the trading. What is trading? How to do the trading? What is the trading business versus trading as a gamble?
I'm sorry, his first name is again is
Herman.
Herman.
Yes.
Yes. Uh, so Herman essentially was your mentor. And what were the first markets you were curious about that he showed you?
Actually, he traded in stocks, he traded in, Forex, he traded in futures, he traded in crypto. But the main market he showed us, like I'm a starter, I'm a newcomer, start with futures because futures is the easiest thing to trade overall because you don't have to look through the thousands of stocks. You have to look through basically, different markets, different countries, right? It's the one market all over the world. And mostly people trade in NASDAQ or gold or S&P 500. So out of 3, 4 markets, you pick one market to trade, right? So he's the one who told me, that, okay, start with futures. This is the way to go if you want to learn trading. Start with futures trading, and then in futures, start with NASDAQ because that's more volatile and volume-wise, it's pretty big. So you can get done fast and you can do your day job, what you're doing today.
Okay, so you got into the S&P futures,
Yes.
and so what was the strategy? I mean, how was he? What was his initial strategy that he was teaching you? What strategy really resonated for you?
Before that, I was just looking, doing trading as a gamble, as I mentioned that, okay, without thinking, without looking at the market. So first he taught me like how to read the market. What is the market structure? How to see if market is in trend or range or, in a job zone or something. So first lesson, he gave it to me that, okay, look at the market first before even you start trading. If market is moving good, then he taught me to trade with the trend, right? So then he is the line he always says to me that trend is your friend. So I just, my foundation is based on that, right? So I traded so far basically based on the trend. If market is a good trend, volume is high, volatility is high, the order flow is doing great, so then I'll take a trade, right? So the foundation of that, my trading is pretty much all related to the, trend trading.
Trend trading.
Yes.
Okay. So he was already running Sniper Autotrader when you got him, when you met him?
No, actually, after a couple of years, I started learning manual trading. Then me and he both thought that just like me, who've been struggling from years in trading, why not we just do something for people like me, right, who are the newcomers? And then we started working on Sniper Autotrader. It took us like 2 years to work on it. We did a lot of research. We see the pain points of people. What are the people's pain point? What are the pain point of new traders? What are the pain point of even the current traders, right? So based on that, we started working on that company. So I mean, he had a thought in his mind before during pandemic time, but actually we started working in on this company in 2021.
Okay. And what is Sniper Autotrader?
So Sniper Autotrader is your trade execution and trade management system. So for example, it scans the market, it analyzes the market before you take a trade. So for example, the software, it will look at the order flow, it will look at the momentum, it will look at the volume, it will look at the volatility in the market, and based on that, after checking every single thing, it will take a decision to take a trade in nanosecond, right? So when we take a manual trade, we have to, if you want to check all those things, it will take us at least 5 6 screens to look at it and then make a decision. So what the Sniper Auto Trader does, it will scan everything in the market and take a decision right away, execute the trade right away, and then after execution, it will do the trade management. It will put appropriate profit target. It will put appropriate stop loss. And also, if you're using trade copier, if you're using different strategies, it will all basically manage for you as a bot.
As a
Yeah.
bot. Okay. Now, are there specific strategies built into these bots, or how does a so say somebody's brand new to trading, like you were. You talked
Mhm.
about how you researched traders' pain points. Tell me what pain points did you discover new traders have, and how does Sniper kind of solve those problems,
So the
those pain points?
pain points are like way to enter in a trade, way to exit in a trade, right? Staying disciplined, staying consistent. So, for example, when I was new trader, my emotion used to take over. That if that the market, it's not gonna care about your feelings or your plans sometime, right? So you have to be emotion free when you trade. You don't just stick to one trade and keep moving your stop loss again and again in hope that market will go in your favor, right? So those are the main pain points. Are people are not consistent, people don't know how to start, people don't know basically how to read the market, people don't know how to be stay disciplined in a market, and at that emotions takes over, and then whatever money you made in last whole week you can lose in one day if you keep doing revenge trading. So these are the main pain points of mostly the new traders and even old traders, right? People who've been trading from years. Sometimes they won't able to overcome those emotions and end up losing money while market is going doing great for them. right? So it was very important for us to discipline those traders. So we put a lot of function in our board, that how to stay disciplined, how to stay consistent, what should be your daily profit target, what should be your daily loss target. So either way you hit it, you stop trading.
Got it. Got it. So I hear you say that the pain points that you see a lot of new traders is managing their emotions, deciding on when to enter, when to exit, and then really understanding kind of the momentum of the current market. That's what I'm
Yes,
hearing you
yes,
say.
yes.
Um, and I guess I'm going back to this question. There are strategies. Do new traders select from the strategies that you offer? How does that work?
Yes, let me share my screen. I'll show to you
Sure.
today's trading. Actually, I show you both tradings. One is with the trend, one is fully automation, right? So I'll show you
Okay.
both. Let me just share my screen, and we can go from there.
Go ahead.
So, Edit, so this is our software, right? This is now I'm using the Auto B strategy. What Auto B strategy does is fully automation for the newcomers, because they're still learning, right? And they're still checking in the market, like what market is doing, how to learn in the market. So for them, we just put Auto B. I will put long and short both. This is a one function. If any time trade goes against you, how to recover that. So I will show you a couple of trades I took it today. So for example, this is market is running right here. So
So this is a live market right now.
it is, yeah. So it's today's market, 10:19 a.m. Right. So
Okay. Okay.
so
So a couple of hours ago.
yes. So for example, bought to cut first trade, which is this is my profit target and this is my stop loss. So it automatically execute that trade. Now I don't need to do anything. I'm just watching what market does, right? So bot took this trade based on the calculation. So hit my profit target right there, right? So in this
What's the name of this strategy?
auto B. So we have a auto
Auto
B,
B. Now,
auto.
what is it?
So
Okay,
this
Auto B is based on what? Is it what's it like general if you were just to describe
so it the
what is it looking for?
So it is looking for the momentum in a market, volatility in a market, order flow, and the volume. So now if you see one bot took a one trade here, which is with the trend, and this is against the trend, right? So it will say, okay, market is exhausted here. At this point, market not going to go up maybe for two down more. So it took a trade against that trend, right? So in these two trades, we made $265 easily,
Okay.
right? Here I'm
How
using
many contracts?
just one contract, just one contract.
Was it the big contract or the mini?
It's NQ Nasdaq, which is E-minis.
Full size.
Yes,
Oh, it is E-mini.
E-minis.
Okay.
Yes, yes. So
Okay.
so basically, this is when bot decide, okay, this is a good trade to take. It took this trade. This is another trade it took, and then I made around $300. That should be our goal, like $200 to $300. I can stop my trading here now.
For the day.
For the day, yes. But because I'm trading in 10 accounts, so overall I made 2,100 right here, if you see it.
So, over how long a period?
I took it just two trades. That's it.
2,100 for the day?
That's it. Yes. For in 10 accounts. So these are,
Oh, 10 different accounts.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
So you're doing copy
Yes, I'm
trades.
doing copy trading. I took bought Apex accounts and then 10 Apex accounts I bought it. And then I'm just doing a copy trading with this trade copier, right?
Apex Trader Funding.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So that's how, so this is a one strategy people use it, nothing to do, right? Just watch what market. So you still have to sit and watch. Now, if you see these boxes, these are by trade, basically filters. So we put filters. If market start doing in a chop zone, bot will not take any trade. So it skipped this trade, it skipped this trade because the bot wasn't sure if market will go in a trend or it will just keep doing the chop currently, right? So we put really good filters that it will save you from bad trades a lot of times.
And do you have any kind of track record on these bots? Like what kind of win rate you can expect?
Yeah, so
Or
so basically this one, this strategy we use, I would say the win rate is 70 to 75% in
wow,
automation. And I'll show you one more strategy, which a lot of people use in as a customers. So this is another strategy we use, right? So this is pure with the trend. Basically, this is the different strategy. We call it band crossover or with the EMA lines. So bot will take a trade based on the with the trend. If trend is strong, for example, we took a two trades here. One is right here. This was one trade, right? We made $285 also here. So I made 285 here. In this strategy, I made 265 on with the auto B strategy. So these are different bar size, different way of trading. I use runner here. What runner does it? As long as this leg will go, I will stay in a trade and I will be out here on the very first bar automatically, right? So that way you can
Okay.
capture the whole leg. So basically, in this leg, my leg was very short, so I just hit my profit target. My runner is out on the break even, right? So this is a different strategy. A lot of people use it. So, for example, if I have taken trade,
That looks like a long trade
yes,
right
if
there.
I have taken the trade right here, it'll be long trade all the way. I could make like $1,000 in one trade. Then I took this trade, for example, this one. I skipped this trade. I took a this trade again. This couldn't run, so we at least hit our profit target, and my runner is out at a break even. So I made $285, which is kind of my goal for today again.
What's the size of the funded account?
You can trade. This one is 50K. So because I'm trading with a one
Okay.
contract or two contracts, we can trade with a 50K account also.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Gotcha. And how many different strategies do you have built into the software that a trader could choose from?
We have Auto B, Auto A, Auto C, the band crossover, EMA crossover. Now we are coming with the two new bots this week. This is a version 29. We coming with a version 30 now. That will change the whole new way of trading again, right? So we keep enhancing our products. We keep building a new product. So currently we are using just one bot. Now we are introducing two more bots for our customers without any cost, so that way they can trade according to their style.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's say I'm totally new to trading, curious about the market. I come to you guys. What do I just have to sign up to? Can I call you? I mean, what if somebody doesn't even know what to do or where to start? What happens?
So what I'll do is I will send you the webinar link. So we have a webinar for 1 hour which shows every single thing. What is futures? How is it different from stocks? How our software works? What are the results of our customers? What are the reviews of our customers? Testimonials. So this is a 1 hour webinar. I will share the link for with you. Once they watch the webinar, they will get like 70 to 80% like what it is, right? How the software works, how this futures works, how this system works. Then you can book a call with us, right? So they can book a call with us. Then our team will help you, answer all the questions, whatever questions you have after webinar. That hey, I saw the webinar, I couldn't understand this. Then it's a half an hour call, and then you can make a decision if you want to continue with us or you just. It's a free call. There's no cost to it. There's no cost to webinar. There's no cost to talk to us through book a call system. And then if you think something is for you, you are interested, then you can take a next step.
Okay. And what is that next step?
Next step is you can subscribe a monthly subscription. So that is so you can do the first is initial payment and then monthly payment as long as you keep the bot.
I see.
Yeah.
I see. And then once somebody signs up, I mean, what happens? Do they have to kind of figure it out
No,
themselves?
not at all. We have a 24-hour customer service. Let me show you that also. So this is our group. So for example, this is today's results. If you see Monday 24, like this person made $850 today with us. This person will only take one trade, 120, 425, right? So 400. So this is an internal group we have where people share their results, share their how much they made,
Okay,
what's the
so there's a community.
yes, there is a community, and this is community, then this is a tech support, right? Once you join us, this is 24-hour service. For example, this person say I need help, and say okay. So at 5:55 p.m., he says I need help. Right at 5:56, we call you right away. So within 1 minute, it's our basically policy that within seconds, within 1 minute, will call you right away to resolve your issue. Then I will show you our training program. So once someone signs up, right? Let me show you the member area, how it looks like.
Sure.
So this is our member area for customers, right? So first they have these trainings. So when they join us, they watch what is a daily routine should be before trading. What is Ninja Trader? Like the main trainings for Ninja Trader. What is the sniper slingshot bot? Different indicators, section by section. We explain what is a sniper slingshot bot, right? So all Apex trading funding rules. What is the threshold rule? What is automation bot rule? What is the payout rules? What is 30% rule? So all those things we show in the training area. Then we do the Zoom sessions. If you see, these are different Zoom sessions we have done in the past, that any new strategy, any new indicator, mindset, people show their results for a whole month here. So we invite people, all over basically now we have this Apex rep came to, our training, and then they answer our customers' questions, right?
Oh, that's
So,
cool.
we try to train our customers as much as we can, right? We have
So it sounds like somebody, if they really don't know much about trading, but they're intrigued by this idea of your computer or a bot doing the trading, that they can come to you and you're going to walk them through it step by step.
yes.
I mean, really,
First
don't
thing.
really need to know. They don't need to know much just to even start with you
No,
guys.
actually, 80% of customers are who are brand new traders. So first thing we say, hey, call Eddie
Wow.
and get a computer from him before you start with us,
Thank
right?
you. Appreciate
Right.
that.
So first thing is they need a good computer. They need a good internet, right? And then after that, whatever they need, like they don't know about Ninja, we install Ninja on your computer. We will train you on Ninja. What is the instrument list? What is the workspace? How to save your charts on the Ninja Trader. Then we install our software bot on your Ninja Trader. We explain you every single thing about bot. Then we'll show you where the tradings are. Then after that, you have any questions? Book a one-on-one call with us. So we provide three types of trainings. One is the video trainings, which I showed you in member area. Then we do the Zoom
Right.
trainings with all our customers. Then third, we do one-on-one sessions. So for example, if you still can't understand few things even after the group Zoom training, book a call with us as a one-on-one session. Then we will spend at least 1 hour with you, 45 minutes with you, and explain you everything about whatever questions you have.
That's awesome. So you really are holding people's hand, walking them through. And
Yes.
so once people get started, and in general, I mean, what are the biggest mistakes that you see traders make over and over again?
The same mistakes I made when I started trading, over trading. So, for example, I made this much money, 265, and my goal is that much, right? I don't want to trade after. It doesn't matter how much market is good or bad. I need to stop right here, right? So first is over trading. Second is revenge trading. Third is not having a clear plan and keep changing the strategies again and again, right? So because if
Mm,
I'm telling you the strategy is giving you 80% success rate, people, that 20% loss or 30% loss can come on first day or second day or third day, right? So what people do is they test the strategy for like 2 months, and when they come on the real live trading, if they have a loss, they change the strategy next day that, oh, it's not working in a live market, right? So what
mm.
we want people that stick with your strategy, your tested strategy. We give you strategy, hey, test this strategy for at least 60 days, and if that something is working for you for last 60 days, it will work, right? So do not change your strategies. Do not do the revenge trading. Do not do the over trading once you hit your profit target.
Gotcha. Gotcha. I agree. Those definitely are, but somebody, I can just tell you from me teaching trading on my own, is that the minute somebody has a loss, they're trying to re-engineer the system.
Mhm. Yeah. You know,
And then I also know from my own trading that when I became a more experienced trader was that when I had a couple bad trades in a row, I would get so emotionally
mhm.
triggered that I would overtrade and I would get mad and I'd say, I'm going to get you. And then I'd really like revenge trade.
Yes.
And that's like the worst thing you could possibly do.
Yes,
It
yes.
really is. That's the quickest way to blow up an entire account.
Yeah. So people, that's the hard part because the 80% is psychology and 20% is execution, right? So if you understand that, if you control your greed, if you control your fear, if you control your hope that this is it today, market is not according to your strategy, I will come back tomorrow. If you start thinking that way as a strategy, then you will gain in long run.
Gotcha. Gotcha. So, what is one of your favorite client stories?
There are many. If you see our Google reviews or testimonials, I can send you testimonials also because mostly people come to us as a new trader. 80% of customers are new traders, right? And then they see they've been looking for this platform from a long time. So far since we started, we have customers from day one. Some are sitting at 160K. They made 160K just from trading with us, right? Some are like 90K, some are 70K, right? So basically, we have so many stories. One guy from Fresno, he says, I have my family never made that much money in any business I made with the trading with you guys. So,
Wow.
housewives, for example, housewives who cannot work because kids are small, they have to go to, pick up the kids from school. They have to drop off the kids to school. They trade with us and they made $50,000, $60,000 a year, right? So there's a lot of success stories we have. There is so many people give us the testimonials. I will send you the video also. It's a 3 minutes
Yeah.
video.
I noticed on your website you have quite a few
Yes,
testimonials. I mean, you look when you look at a lot of these trading service providers who try to teach trading, you don't see the kind of reviews that you guys have. So that's really impressive that a lot of people report back positive things. And you've been sending us customers for years, which I greatly appreciate, and we always get positive feedback from your group. So
yes.
uh so quite a lot of people happy with you guys out there.
Because Eddie, our vision is very clear. We are not here to make money and go away from market. So our goal is to start teaching trading to people who think is a negative thing. So a lot of misconception about trading is that it's a gamble, it's a betting, right? No one is thinking this is a business. Like a lot of people do trading, a lot of people they don't even work, they just trade. But we always say people that okay, start trading as a second income and then slowly move to the first income once you start making enough money. But trading is your second income. Is a something skill. It's some skill you can learn and pass on to your kids. So our main goal is to uh, um, sorry so our main goal is to build a community around all over the world that and teach them trading. That trading is very good thing to learn. Trading is a very good skill to learn, and that is our main vision. That bring more and more people into trading. Start thinking, changing their thought process. Start teaching them a skill so they can pass on to their kids or to their brother sister, and trading community grows as much as any other trading business community is there.
Very good. Monty, sounds super exciting. Can I trouble you to send me like a link? I'll put it in the description
Sure.
for my folks.
Yeah. I
Absolutely.
will send it to you, and I will also send you the testimonial video, and you can share that also.
Awesome.
All right.
Awesome.
Thank you so much, Eddie.
Monty, thank you so much for joining us today. It was a great conversation. All those folks out there watching, you never heard of Sniper Autotrader, definitely go check it out. SniperAutotrader.com. Is that right?
Yes, sniperautotrader.com. Yes.
Go check it out and check out their reviews, check out the testimonials. They have something special. They're not fly by night. They've been around a while already. Monty, again, thank you so much for coming
Thank
on.
you, Eddie.